I'm at number 2 Harvest Wind Court, St. Louis County, Missouri 63128, doing a main sewer lateral inspection for Dick and Terry Wilcox. Our access is 6-inch cleanout located in front of the home. Currently we're at the base of a main stack. We're going to start at this point, come backwards, look for any cracks, breaks, significant bellies that might be in the line. Got some buildup in the line, but it's not causing an obstruction to the flow of waste at all. Try and get the lens a little cleaner if we can. Line is all PVC plastic. Right there, we just came from a 3-inch pipe to a 4-inch pipe underneath the house somewhere. Right there, we just left a 4-inch pipe, PVC to 6-inch PVC plastic, added near the foundation of the home. Here's our access, located in front of the home. The main sewer lateral from the cleanout ingoing to a main stack is in good serviceable condition at this time.